This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Good morning. We are gonna eat some, well, it's almost afternoon. We're gonna have some breakfast / lunch at Solao. Hello, Solao. And then I'm in the empty IM6. The kids are asleep in the back. But okay. Anyway, we're not gonna leave them here, but I'll show you that you can do this. Again, here. It's hot outside, 27 degrees Celsius. We go here and then scene mode, and then we can use pet mode. Very convenient. Look at that. Then it will be nice and cold in here. And then we just have to cancel it. Well, as a parent, you suddenly realize how important playground is at restaurants. Yeah, Isabel, it's a fling. Axel is not that much into this. He's like, yo, what's up? The food has arrived. Wifey went on an ordering spree. We have som tam. Actually, in Nyland they call it tam som. We have half grilled chicken. We have some deep fried fish, sticky rice, and then for wifey also tam som, and then khanom jin, and then this is just some vegetable. Oh yeah. And we also have watermelon there, and I don't know what the heck this was again. Wow, are we gonna finish all this? 4 people? Let's dig in. Let's try this. It's really good. Mark Green's impersonation in 3, 2, 1. Okay, next stop. We are at this bag pro up here. It's just someone's house, yeah, and supposedly they can fix the broken Samsonite zipper. So well, they say replacing the zipper is not gonna be possible, but they can supposedly just repair it. Well, all good. We wait now. Hope the kids are not too impatient. In the nice electro auto. It's done. It's fixed. I don't know what they did. It was just out of the rail, but it's still in okay, but in okay condition. So now we can. Yeah, well, just have to be a bit careful. It was a bit torn around here, but still has around, I don't know, 80% health left. It's now 2 in the afternoon. The kids are asleep. Second round now in the back there. Yeah, and then wifey is at the important eyelash extender, whatever they call it. It's gonna take less than an hour, and then since the kid they didn't sleep that much earlier today, they want to sleep now. So I'm just slow poking. Is it hard to? Okay, avoided that. Okay, good. So I'm just slow poking. Yeah. The consumption is simply amazing. It's almost 1/3 of what I got in Norway, huh? Rear-wheel drive kicks ass for the Lord. So I'll just cruise now. This is the road to Bangkok actually. Just cruise from here, Chiang Mai to Lamphun, and then back again a little bit. West side, can you see that? Yeah, so slow poke. I have plenty of juice. Well, actually, a small minus. I don't see how many percent I have here. I want to pull out car scanner. Even when I try to look at the charging screen, I don't know where the heck the charging screen is. I don't remember. So that's kind of clumsy, but I think we have around 75% battery left, so no problemo. It's all cruising. Wait. Yeah, they're sleeping. And we also have Spotify here. Very nice. You can listen to some children's lullabies while the kids are asleep. Alright, wife is back. Axel is breastfeeding. You see, I need to zoom in on those eyebrows. Or the lashes, I mean. Not the eyebrow. So that took 1.5 hours. Wow. Okay, we ended up at the Central Festival again. We were planning on going another place. We'll probably go there tomorrow morning. So we still need to buy some stuff here. Under the IM6, spacious car. You see, we can fit 2 strollers. Well, there's wifey. Yeah, you know, we can fit 2 strollers in there, and also the luggage. Wait. Yeah, they're logging. Wait. Yes. Okay. There's a bit of congestion here. So we have that empty big suitcase, and actually this stroller here, when it folds, it fits in here just fine in this little. Here we have the adapter for it. Yes, Isabel, man, can you, huh? Stop it. Yes, stop being so naggy, just like your mama. Yes, okay, hang on, hold your horses to take out some of the luggage here. But yeah, so we have the seat in the most upright position for the maximum space for cargo, since the child seat, they don't, I mean, since they are in child seat, they don't care too much about space anyway, right? So, all right, let's go. I'm gonna buy some stuff here, and then let the kids play. All right, wifey is with the kids right now at some place. I think I will buy this. It's Electrolux. Well, it's a known brand, but it's actually made in China. Yeah, but okay, anyway. From 11,000 baht to 6,999, and then 6,600 now. So yeah, New Year promotion. So I think this is one of the better, because it has okay weight. It has some display here on the battery status. Not as good as Dyson, but Dyson is kind of overpriced. You know, we have Dyson at home. So it has 3 different levels. I think that should be sufficient. At maximum, it takes 50. I mean, you can do it for 15 minutes or 45 minutes at eco mode. It has detachable here. You know, there's some light there, so it seems to be okay for 6,000 baht. It's like 200 euros, and I think that's okay. It will be the family vacuum cleaner, and then I will also use it for vacuum cleaning the car. We can detach this, so yeah. All right, go for this. Okay, now we switch, and now it's time for wifey to go and run some errands. And yeah, no kids here today. Oh, it's a nice place. Plenty of toys. Toddler here. She wants to cut my hair. You're cutie. For dinner, we have it at Black Canyon. And we went for some pasta. There will be some sandwich soon, but then the sandwich contains egg, and then outside can't eat it. But at least the kids love spaghetti. Yeah. Okay, we purchased a toaster. We purchased some toast bread, some food for tomorrow for the kids, some fruits. Axel, you big baby, come on. Yeah. It's past 8 now. It's time for the kids to go to bed soon. Well, yeah. Let's hurry back then. I'm back at the Airbnb home. Yeah. Tomorrow we check out. The kids, they love watching animals. Yeah, there's some kind of, I don't know, animals in Africa. Africa is a country, right? Elephant. Yeah, elephant. Yeah. Isabel, do you remember elephant? Elephant chup, Isabel. Chup, chup. You see here, I have this USB adapter, well, 2 USB-C. They can provide 65 watt, well, total 65 watt, or combine, well, they have to share. And then when I was in China, I was struggling. Should have brought this adapter. I had actually 2 of these at home. But then I have something even better. Look at this. What this does, it is travel adapter from Kempower. You see, you can retract it. You can then, if you want shuku, you take out this part, or you want the, I think this is the UK, right? Or the Asian small one here. But it also has 1 USB-A and 2 USB-C output along with this. Huh? Wonderful. You could use my link. Wait, you can use my link and get discount on the Kempower. Go check it out. And now I can, for example, take this charger for my camcorder, and then it should plug in there. It's now 1 at night, and I'm out driving. I'm going to do the range test. It makes sense to do the range test here in Chiang Mai while I'm here. If I would do it while we are stationary in Chiangdao, then I have to drive 1 hour just to get here, and then do my test and then back again. So less overhead, you know? and I use this stretch south of Chiang Mai, which is perfect for driving at 120 kilometers per hour at night. But it needs to be done at night. We can simply not do it daytime, unlike in Norway, where we can just cruise on the autobahn midday or almost any time. Yeah. So long day, still not over. I want to know. The IM6 was quite thirsty in Norway, but it was cold, less than 10 degrees Celsius. But over here with the rear-wheel drive, and now it's 20 degrees Celsius outside. How much more efficient is it? Let's find out. All right, I'm done with the test now. It's almost 3 at night. I'm charging, kind of topping it back up a bit because yeah, I need to eventually charge at home, but we don't get that much solar because I will be arriving in Qingdao, I don't know, 3, 4 in the afternoon. And I'm gonna go to Doyankang the following night or early morning, so whatever. But yeah, the price actually here at the PTT station is not that high. It's 6.6 baht per kilowatt hour a night, versus home that is around 4.5 baht per kilowatt hour. But then, I mean, this is DC, you know, versus AC, and yeah, there is some there's some charging loss with DC charging versus the AC/DC charging loss in AC charging. Yeah, okay, but okay. Anyway, let me see how the battery temperature doesn't go up that much. Oh, it's cooling down. Oh, okay, cool. But yeah, I gotta grab some food now at 7-Eleven at least, and then top up while we're charging, and then I need to go home and get some sleep, man. Well, I try something new. They have hot dog at 7-Eleven. This is Thai hot dog with, well, I don't know, is that a ham or is it supposed to be bacon? Let's try this. It tastes okay, but I'm missing sennep. The bread is kind of dry. That's okay, or I mean, or any Norwegian or Danish or Swedish gas station, they would heat up the bun, you know. But here it comes in this plastic bag, so it's kind of dry bun. I need some lactose soy to wash down everything. Okay, then it becomes better. Yeah. Always buy lactose soy. But I prefer the Norwegian or the Swedish hot dog, or the double sausage penetration. Yeah, that's better. Well, the charger car to 82%. It went actually more or less flat, 75 kilowatt all the way to around 81%. So yeah, that should be enough, just in case. But okay, no problem. We don't drive that long distances anyway. Now we'll just hammer it back to the Airbnb and try to get some sleep. So the kids and wife, they are sleeping peacefully now. Just have to get some work done, yeah, to feed the family. Oh, there you go. Truck mafia hugging the middle lane. I'm hugging the rightmost lane. Well, they have so many colors there. I like it. It's pretty cool. You know, they're not so Nazi over here, unlike in Europe, where it's like, oh, no color stuff, no lights under the car or truck, you know. And loosen up a bit, EU. EU is too damn strict about everything. It's not so colorful. That's what I like about Thailand. But also stuff I don't like about Thailand, like the burning and shit, and yeah, some other stuff. But anyway, let me stop complaining, okay? Finally back here. Okay, and now I need to get some work done. Need to copy some files over, and then get sleep. And then tomorrow you go back to Qingdao. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.